Take a photo. Do that. Let go. Show that. Show that. Show us what you do. Guys.
How did babysitter dresses like that?
Fart.
Hey, that's
Okay.
cut it already.
Happy
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
That's funny.
Oh, you didn't tell the Torah people to sing for you, huh? Like,
Just a slot
Hey,
shot.
that is not enough.
What?
I know.
Prove us wrong then, Des. And
No.
drink 3 shots of Crown Royale.
No.
What are you talking about?
Happy birthday to you. Cut it. Birthday to
Right
you.
now?
Happy birthday to Amy. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, one.
See, look, it's already like they already sectioned it for you for 5
This
people.
big? This big?
Yeah.
This big?
Can you hurry up before I
Oh, this
grab another
big!
knife?
Ah, no! Why do you have to help me cut it?
Because you're freaking slow.
Here, who wants the end piece?
Not me.
I don't want the end piece. This is a big ass piece. Who wants it? Big as suck. Who's gonna eat that?
I don't want to kick out a stomach cake. You're the one who